Hi you guys, welcome back to our channel. Our family is at Great Wolf Lodge. We are here during the Christmas season. We're gonna show you the water park, give you a room tour. We're gonna show you all the fun things here at Anaheim's Great Wolf Lodge. All right guys, welcome to the Wolf Den room tour. When you first walk in, right to your left, you have all this storage, which is great for luggage, strollers, etc. It looks like we have some blankets, pillows up here. Directly to your right, you have the bathroom. Turn this on. This is pretty spacious. We have our shower bath right here, as well as the shower gel and conditioning shampoo from Great Wolf Lodge. Exiting the bathroom, we have the sink area right here with the mirror. We have the lotion, hair dryer. All right, coming into the Wolf Den, Sienna is gonna tell us all about it.
And so mouse, I love this little one. And then flowers, and then there's a great window. And then it says Wolf Den right there. There's some butterflies, vines, and a bird. Now over here, there's lots of water slides, just like it's outside, and it's a little bit bear cub just sitting on a floaty right there. Two wolves, and there are some butterflies. There's a big waterfall. Now,
the best part,
up here,
the bunk bed.
Of course, the ladder is right here, so you can just do that.
On this side, we have our table in the corner, two chairs, a lot of space right here. We have the couch, table, queen bed here. We're gonna go look at our, not much of a view from here. Across, we have our TV. We have storage, drawers. We have a lot of space right here, and then we have the mini fridge. As Sienna said before, this is the Wolf Den section. Our kids have loved having their own special side in the room. It's separated by this wall. The bunk beds are always fun, except for who gets the top. They did used to have a television in here, and that looks like it's been removed. The theming is really cute. All right, you guys, this is the lobby. I'm gonna show it to you at nighttime. Everything's all lit up.
The original rhythm of nature. Come on, everybody.
Everything during the Christmas season is themed for Snowland. So they have all these decorations up. We've got sparkly nutcrackers over here. Oh! And here comes the snow! Oh my goodness! So every night, they have snow fall down 30 minutes apart. Oh my gosh! That's so fun to watch. Wow! Got some more decorations over here. Snowland, all the balloons and Christmas trees. That's so fun. All right, so right off the elevators is the Dunkin Donuts, and in the mornings it is pretty busy, but it's been nice to be able to get egg sandwiches, donuts, have this just right here within the hotel. There are also a few restaurants within Great Wolf Lodge. This is called Lodge Wood Fired Grill. So these are only open later in the day. And then they also have Loose Moose Kitchen. And this one is buffet style. Right now they have the breakfast buffet going on. What's so fun about Great Wolf Lodge is they always have activities going.
Alright, now I'm gonna have all of you guys go ahead and stand on up.
Look at all these cute Christmas decorations, specially decked out for Christmas. I've seen a lot of families running around the lobby with matching Christmas jammies, which is so fun. Thank you guys so much for joining us on this very Christmassy Great Wolf Lodge Anaheim video. We have several Anaheim Great Wolf Lodge videos where we do more in-depth walkthroughs, of the different parts of the hotel. So if you want to see more of a tour of the water park or the restaurants or the Magic Quest experience, be sure to check those out. We'll see you guys on another video very soon. Bye guys!